welcome to this beautiful farmhouse design home in McDonough, Georgia. Just over half an acre, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,700 square feet. We are here on this big porch with these beautiful stained cedar beams, and the best part about this home is that there is no HOA. Come on in and let's see it. As soon as you come in through the front door, you have this formal dining room with thick crown molding and beautiful modern light fixture. Coming further in, we are in the living space with this vaulted ceilings, but the best part about this room are these huge windows that look out to your backyard. I absolutely love that. It feels very spacious in here, but you still come back to the centerpiece and focal point of your built-ins and fireplace right here. So now we head into the kitchen area, and it is so gorgeous. We have our breakfast eat-in area here, and this door leads out to a very large covered patio with a ceiling fan. This kitchen has so much counter space and storage. Plenty of room for everything that you need. Look at all of this, y'all. Look at these cabinets. It's so many. And then there's also a lot of space right here to walk and maneuver, cook and prepare. We have a storage closet there, and then a full bathroom right here. Before we come into bedroom number 1. So part of the convenience of this home is that you have a guest room and the primary on the main level. And right down here, you just have the laundry space and the entry to your 2-car garage. So we're gonna come back through the dining room because the primary is right through here. I don't know if y'all saw it when we first walked through, but it's right through here. You've got a closet there before you walk into your very light and airy primary bedroom. And it has 2 of these windows that I absolutely love. You also have thick crown molding and plenty of space for everything that you need before we come into this ensuite. So you have your glass doors on your shower, neutral gray tone, standalone tub. And then on this side, you have 2 vanity sink here before you come into this closet. So you've got 2 sides, his and her sides. All right, we're upstairs now for the final 2 bedrooms. Number 3. Really good size room. And then the full bathroom right here. Little vanity. And then the last bedroom, bedroom number 4. And that's it. Again, this home has no HOA, and you are in a wonderful location, only about 1 mile from the McDonough Square. If you're interested in this home, give me a call and let's get a deal done. I'll see you at the next home.